Yo, CPT in the world. You're Steezin with Oasis, and welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. I have another dope artist in studio today, all the way from Kailicha. He came through to slay, so let's get into this. So Chichi, bro, how long have you been making music?
Right. I can only say since the day I was born, only if I was born speaking. The time I started, because I don't remember myself without doing music. It's just been music all my life.
It's been in your bloodline. That's all it's in. It's music.
I don't do music lately. Music does me.
So if you get hurt and you get cut, you just see music notes coming out. Music notes hide back, bro.
I just cover it because like my buzz getting out.
Yeah, too much buzz getting out. That's dope, bro. But what got you into the hip hop game though?
Like through out of all genres, like hip hop is about verses. I like speaking all the time, and I love expressing how I feel. So hip hop, I feel like it's giving more enough chance to express what I feel about a certain thing. So that's why I chose hip hop out of all.
Out the genres. Yes, So now again with your sound, what would define your sound?
We can say it's Chichi music because I do me in most cases.
Chichi music.
I don't try copy who does that and who does that. I just do how I feel. So I can just fuse it in and a bit, just go with the flow and then I kill it. So,
but there must be someone that inspired you to be that way. So is there artists in the game, anyone that make you feel that made you come to this point that if you listen to them, it's like, this is something I followed since kid, like your Tupacs, your Biggies. There must be.
And then it's funny because I'm not a type of artist who used to listen to the old school hip hop or something. Like even the rappers I listen right now, even the likes of Drake, A-Reese, K.O., Nasty C. You see,
these are the niggas you're listening to.
I listen to them. It's not like I listened to them before and then I started along the way. That's when I listened to them. Like they're doing it for me. Even though at some point I feel like I can shout some of them.
Hell, aren't you taking shots to the game already, eh? Aren't you doing shots?
That's hip hop.
Hey, these niggas, all you niggas out there listen to that. Chichi out there taking shots.
Nah, it's not exactly like shots. It's hip hop culture.
Nah, it's good, bro. You must go fetch the best. If you're not gonna fetch the best, you're not gonna become the best. You know? Nice. Push it, bro. Don't stop pushing that shit ever. Now, what's your take on the SA hip hop game? Like the way our music is being pushed now and the way people feel our music. What do you feel about that?
SA hip hop is doing amazing right now. In the meantime, ever since 2013 or 14, if I can say, like we've been pushing. Like back then, like 2012, 2011, we used to listen to overseas music, but now, like even on my phone, 90% is SA hip hop. But then, like I feel like there's more to be done. You see, like we need to try and work with each other. I mean, in the Cape Town industry, we're not as big as Joburg industry. So they come here and collect our stuff, then put it there. We need more labels in Cape Town. We need more recording labels, like more distribution companies, so we can push one way, like be like Joburg.
So at this point in time, you think EMP would be a good platform like that for other artists to come out and perform?
Yeah, it is. I'm grateful to be here. Thank you guys for having me.
Nah, bro, we appreciate having artists also because we'd like to expand as well as a business, as a group, as a show. We'd like to also let other people know we are helping them. Because this is my passion. I like to speak to y'all niggas. I love y'all niggas out there. But so I feel you, bro. So now if we do give you a chance to perform, bro, do you think you'll kill it?
Definitely. That's what I was born to do.
You were born to do it. I don't want to catch you and see music notes now, since anyway, so if another one more thing, just tell the people out there where we can find you though, bro. So like I just want to go find you after search of music. I want to find you, bro. So where would I find you?
Okay. For now, you can get me on fuckers.com. You can get me on Slicker on Life. You can follow me on my handles, like on Instagram it's Chichi Mbanya. On Chichi_Mbanya. On Facebook page is Chichi Mbanya SA. Like you can also get me on YouTube. I just released the dub video for 97. It's doing movie out there. It's just CHI 97 EV. And then you definitely will get it. You just follow my page, you get the link, then it'll get you through YouTube.
Alright, anyway, everyone feels like I feel. I don't studio feels like that was heat, but I feel like I'm ready to hear if you have bars, bro.
Thank you, bro.
So you ready? You ready to spit?
I'm ready.
Nah, let's do this, bro. Let's give this nigga opportunity and let him kill it. Steezingwithoasis. Yo! What's up, sir? Yo, it's your boy Chichi. Yo.
I'm a young sinner treated like a god. Young sinner treated like a god. I fuck that motherfucker's bitch with pleasure. I fuck that motherfucker's bitch with pleasure. I'm in OGs now giving me the throne. OGs now giving me the throne. I'm elevating niggas using leather. I'm elevating niggas using leather. Chichi 97, boy, what's up? Chichi 97, boy, what's up? I'm the young sharpest at the top, like an Egypt pyramid. Big niggas living under me. I'm the best to ever do it, but they acting like they never had them be. I'll keep working till the day I'm swimming on codeine. Hey, never back chat when I'm talking. You will catch the day you met me. My nigga chat where you stepping, cause I'm full of wrong intention. My nigga smoke expensive shit, then they pass it to your bitches. My nigga shout it's flame emoji. Don't get caught up in emotion. Don't disturb on emotion. Keep it on top. If you got it, then you keep it fucking low. I'm a young sinner treated like a god. Young sinner treated like a god. I fuck that motherfucker's bitch with pleasure. I fuck that motherfucker's bitch with pleasure. I'm in OGs now giving me the throne. OGs now giving me the throne. I'm elevating niggas using leather. I'm elevating niggas using leather. Chichi 97, boy, what's up? Chichi 97, boy, what's up? I don't listen when they talking, keep my ears clear in case the man is calling. Picture perfect, only say that when you got me on it. Hey, they say let them music talk, mine is making hella noise. Somebody switch the volume, cause this pussy niggas panic. Hey, fuck that bitch up in at home, she wakes up, I'm long gone. Now she tryna give me call my phone on flight mode. No second session, hey, niggas throwing shades, man, I'm looking for some Ray-Bans. Chichi Mbanya self-made, this pussy niggas bitch made. Niggas bitching these days, that's not a cake. I'm a young sinner treated like a god. Young sinner treated like a god. I fuck that motherfucker's bitch with pleasure. I fuck that motherfucker's bitch with pleasure. I'm in OGs now giving me the throne. OGs now giving me the throne. I'm elevating niggas using leather. I'm elevating niggas using leather. Chichi 97, boy, what's up? Chichi 97, boy, what's up?